Yeah, I've heard about the servant leadership and was very curious to understand more. I would say it's a great session, and I'm really liking the session. Um, it actually helps us to have a better understanding about the UST values, how we can practice that within the team, and make sure that the team is empowered and can be more productive actually. So I would recommend all the team members to attend this session. In fact, everybody in UST should be a part of this and training, and in fact there's a great initiative. The sessions are being conducted very well. I can see multiple people coming and taking up the sessions. The content is very rich, I would say. A lot of work has been put by Madana and team, which I really appreciate. And also the trainers are quoting live examples and relating to the work that we do, which is also really commendable. So all in all, I would say that it's a great, wonderful session, and I would recommend all of you to come and be a part of the servant leadership at UST.